Any information, no, we are not involved we have no information except to reach through our medical camps. There is no need, there's no point to go test what you are going to get there, they can get it locally. So a lot of times, what they get there, they can actually get better here, especially the average Kenyan. So the average Kenyan goes to an average hospital in India, an average hospital. Instead of staying in the hospital, in some lodging somewhere, where the conditions are not very good. Our facilities, especially level 4s and 5s in this country, especially level 5s, most of them give really top quality services. And our people can get that.